fuel injector. Man, it's so weird. It was just shaking a lot, and then I turned it off and turned it back on. Seems normal, but you see, we got a misfire coming up slowly. It's starting to shake. Yeah, if I leave it a little bit longer, it starts to shake more. See, it's getting worse. I don't know what it is. It just seems like after running a little while, it starts to shake more. See, it's shaking more, but it wasn't shaking that much. Problem I had is fuel injector 2 was not working. I went ahead and swapped the ECU and programmed it, and the fuel injector started spraying, but as soon as I put back the fuel injector rail to the head, I tried it out, and it started shaking again. But I'm not really sure why it's shaking. Was the misfire isn't showing up? Let's see what's happening here.